Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to practice flying this 3-inch drone that I have built. It's a 3D printed frame. So I've never flown an FPV drone using the goggles. It's quite a difficult skill to learn, but flying has always fascinated me. So I'm using these goggles from Beta FPV and this Radio Master Pocket remote. I have been practicing on the flight simulator. It's almost 6 to 7 hours of practice done, and meanwhile, I'm also doing this physically just to keep things interesting. So, crashes are a common occurrence, and hence, I have put some foam on the outer frame just for protection. Okay, without further delay, we get back to the flying part of this video. I'm setting up the drone, all fine, getting on my goggles, and yeah, that's my maid on the background. She is quite amused with this. In attempt 1, I flew the drone into myself. I hit myself on the back. That didn't hurt though. That's attempt 2. Getting on my goggles. Yep. And here we go. It seems to be going much better. And then we have a crash. So from all the tutorials on YouTube, a beginner FPV pilot is supposed to get his control on the throttle first so that they can maintain the height of the drone, that is the altitude. So that is what I'm trying to do, and it's quite difficult actually with the goggles. We do not have a reference, at least inside the room. Okay, and that's attempt 3. Here we take off. I'm trying to do the same thing. I'm trying to hold the height. It drifts away. I'm not sure where it moves around. Not able to localize myself using the goggles. And then we end with a crash. As you can see, a beginner FP pilot faces a lot of crash. So going with this 3D printed frame is a good choice. You break it and you make it and just keep doing that. And here we have the 4th attempt. I have some control now. As you can see, the height is like I'm able to maintain the height. It's taking a lot of effort on my end. That's actually very good control without bonking into anything. I'm doing pretty good now. Yep, it comes down, and then we lose the sense of position actually. So that is what's happening. I'm just focusing on the height as much as possible, and yeah, it's going on. I'm also running out of battery, but it is flight pen good.